si Romy de Asi.
We have Mr. Kirby Santiago.
We have Mr. Charles Ramirez.
The ever-dashing Miguel Lito.
John Paulo Labia.
Emmanuel Castillo.
Edel Darat.
Axel Alvarez.
And lastly, we have Bernard Payuno.
Kilabahan ako tuloy. Baka maging kandilitaw ng prom king.
We will now start naming the nominees for the Promenade King, King 2012.
Number 1 on the list, Mr. Big Sim Tuaco. Next we have Mr. Albert Lozano. Mr. Neil Joaquin. Then we have Mr. Irvin Clarice.
Baka ma-promote yan. Wancho!
Mr. Ransel Ortiz.
Wancho! Wancho!
Mr. Irvin Leonardo.
Oh! Wancho!
Next we have Mr. Russell Castro.
Please, Wancho Escoto! Wancho! Wancho!
Next we have the ever-dashing Mr. Tino Reyes.
Oh! Wancho! Please!
Last but not least, Denny Sigo Etora.
Ay, nino si Wancho? Sayang. Sayang. Hindi si Wancho.